Notice your iPhone's battery draining faster than usual after updating to iOS 26 beta? Here are several tweaks to help you squeeze more juice out of your device. First, cut down on animations and visual effects. To do that, open Settings, tap Accessibility, select Motion and enable Reduce Motion. Then go back to Display and Text Size and turn on Reduce Transparency. Next, let iOS learn your usage patterns and extend battery life by enabling Adaptive Power Mode. For that, open Settings, tap Battery, select Power Mode, and toggle on Adaptive Power. You'll also want to avoid power-hungry wallpapers and message backgrounds. Open Settings, tap Wallpaper, select your lock screen, and disable any spatial or animated effects. In Messages, stick to a still photo background instead of dynamic scenes to prevent extra processing. Keep system and app software optimized. Head into Settings, tap General, select Software Update to install the latest beta build, and then open the App Store, tap your profile, and enable automatic app updates so you're always on the newest, most efficient version. Turn off features running in the background that you don't use. Open Settings, tap Apple Intelligence and Siri, and switch off Apple Intelligence. Go back to Accessibility, tap Vocal Shortcuts, and disable any always listening shortcuts. Haptic feedback and home screen widgets can also sap battery. In Settings, tap Accessibility, choose Touch, then Music Haptics and turn it off or set it to the lowest intensity. Remove unnecessary widgets from your home and lock screens by long pressing each widget and choosing Remove Widget. Finally, audit app-by-app power usage in radios. Open Settings, tap Battery, scroll through the usage list, and uninstall or replace any apps that chew through unexpected amounts of power. Apply these tips and you'll see a noticeable improvement in battery life while iOS 26 is still in beta. If this helped you, tap like, share your best tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Apple tutorials.